go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of the House of Oud, and this one called Neverending. Now, no need to unbox. It was a fragrance that was shipped to me like this by Fragflex as part of the return Fragflex haul for me to decant. This one, unlike the last one I unboxed, was leaking like a sieve. This one, Neverending, is not. It is a beautiful little eggy. If there was a brand that I would actually buy the bottles and just the bottles and who cares about the scents, this would be one of them. I love the bottle presentations. Obviously, I'm not a fan of bottles being, atomizers being the wrong side of it. It's always not a good thing. The atomizer kind of going downwards instead of upwards. I'm getting some undue stress on the atomizer. Not a fan of that. But presentation wise, these little eggies are cute. This is very vibrant and bright. I always feel like the presentation should, and that's the creative director in me. I would feel like the eggy should be showing what the fragrance inside is going to smell like. We'll see what that's all about. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. Bam, 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 bam. Did you do it yet? If you are already subscribed, smash the like. And much appreciated to my returnees. Thanks for the support. Much appreciated. Let's take a look at the note breakdown on this one. And I don't need to unbox it, so let's just go straight into it. Now, this note breakdown looks all over the place. There's a lot of interesting little fellows here. We got cumin, black pepper, suede, guaiac wood, cypriol, amber. These are all things that I kind of like. There's other things like, of course, bright ones like grapefruit, and there's also nutmeg in here, tuberose jasmine, so florals. So where is this thing gonna take me? I don't know. It was released back in 2021. So let's delve into it. Let's spray this thing. We'll put it on a piece of paper first, and then we'll put it on skin. Good atomizer on the little eggy. It's good, it's working. I guess I should roll up my sleeves a little bit. Hey, I'm gonna be wearing this today. So let's delve into it. Neverending by the House of Oud. Well, this is a surprise. Most of the things that I've smelled from this brand are more gourmandish. This ain't gourmand. This is, and I'm just taking my time here because I'm kind of, the egg does not portray what this smells like. The egg should be black with gold accents. Where am I going with this? This is a ashy, you ready? Ashy, smoky, guaiac wood, cypriol combo with a good dose of black pepper. Some cedar in here too. Didn't expect that. The bright egg really cut me off guard. The history with the brand, with me, I've smelled probably half a dozen of these right now. A lot of them are gourmand scents. A lot of them are pretty basic. They have some great note breakdowns and kind of disappointed me. It's quite decent. Got a little cumin in there too, eh? It's got a little funk, okay. Okay. The egg is the wrong color. It's the wrong color, the egg. You gotta change that. Yeah. Okay. So think, and a lot of the Robezoid people, right, that watch me like it's a religion, which I love all of you, know that, I love my dark smoky stuff. And this is like a pale representation of my dark stuff that I like. Think a less rough Comme des Garçons black. Really. Yeah. Like a lot less rough. but it's rough probably for the people that have smelt this brand and haven't smelt anything smoky or crazy. They'll probably be like, oh, because it's ashy, it's woody. The cumin got a little bit of, like, it's not, it's more black pepper than anything. Oh, the black pepper's textured. The Comme des Garçons black pepper. Yeah, it's got a little bit of that. Little bit. Like, it's not amped up enough for me. Like, give me some of that. It's not. It's got some cedar, spices, smoke. I don't think I've smelt a House of Oud that actually smelt like that isn't sweet or gourmandish. This is nice. Not unique. Not unique at all. Not. No. And I mean that by like a fragrance head like myself, like smoky scent. But this is, again, going versus, price tag versus what's out there in this genre. This is a disappointment. I would never buy this because we got things like Black Tourmaline by Olivier Durbano. You got, the Naomi Goodsers of the worlds. You got Comme des Garçons Black, among others, that all, in this price range or less, that do it better, stronger, ferocious. This is maybe the egg shouldn't be black. Maybe it should be pink and like blue and white because it's not showing much bite to those notes. But it's nice. This is the kind of scent profile that Robes of Weight likes. This is my stuff. And coming from this brand is kind of like, what? And the eggy does not, it shouldn't look like this. And that's where, as a fragrance reviewer, I'm like, oh, it's nice, but, right? It's not as dark or as potent as the others in this lane. And with the price tag of these are cheap, these little eggies, versus what I'm getting on my skin, on the, on the texture side, on the imagery side, on the things that, if you want a cedar, you want something with texture. The black pepper does have texture in here, but I've seen it better in Comme des Garçons. There is a vanillic backbone in here that's coming through now on my skin, which is smoothing it out even more, which is not a good thing. This is not what I want, but I see why they would put it in there to make it a little more complementary to more noses, because it smooths out the edges. I don't want the edges smoothed out in this type of scent profile. I want edges. I want dark edges. I want to smell the bark off the cedar. I want to smell the texture off that black pepper seed. I do want to smell some three-dimensional cumin. Give me all kinds of things from the cumin. A little suede-like leather in here too. So it's really smoothing out the more it's on skin now, which is not a good thing for me. I want edges. I see where they're going, but it's still a good scent though. I like it. I like this scent profile. All right. So the House of Oud Neverending was a pleasant surprise, an interesting surprise. I didn't think I was going to get that. Well, looking at the note breakdown, I guess I should have known better. As far as the florals, I'm not getting any of that. I'm really getting more grapefruit. Forget about it. It's the darker notes dominate, but the darker notes aren't. They're not dominating. They're dominating the scent, but they're not dominating. And if you like this, but you want more personality, more vividness, check out Naomi Goodsers, Bois d'Essence. Check out Black by Comme des Garçons. Even some of the woody-based Comme des Garçons may be up your alley if you kind of like this. And the smoke is very thinned out. It's not a dark, dense smoke. Like it's Gaiac wood kind of smoke, which is thinner than your run-of-the-mill smoky scent. It's okay. It's okay. It's something that I think would be way too daring for the customer, the clientele here that are used to the gourmandish, the House of Oud. And again, I might be pigeonholing the House of Oud because I've only smelled like 6 or 7 of these, and maybe I start smelling like 2-3 times that, and I'm like, oh, this is not a gourmand brand at all. But from what I'm getting, it smells like they are that kind of brand. And beautiful bottles, but as far as the full retail worthy or even trying to search out discounters for some of these scents, there's very far and few between. There's not too many great ones from the brand. This one is okay. And this is a guy, like, this is my taste. Like, this is my kind of scent profile. Now, you can find this one at fragflex.com. They do sell these House of Ouds all over the place. But go check out your discounters. Fragflex.com is the one that sent me this for decanting, of course. So I'll be decanting this little egg. And these are fun to handle and try to decant. These are great for that. Beautiful pieces. I'll keep the bottle just for presentation use because it's beautiful. But you can use my code. I have a code TFG10. It's 10% off site-wide. So you don't have to buy an egg if you don't want to. You can buy anything on the website. And there's no expiry date on that thing as far as that code. So keep it in your back pocket. If you find anything at Fragflex, just use it as willingly as you want. There is no closing expiry date on it, so which is always a good thing. So House of Oud, another one tested by me, Neverending, a darker one. But people that are in my kind of genre, that you know who you are. You like the dark stuff and the crazy stuff, and this is that scent profile, but oh, it is tame. So it might be one that you just have to skip over just because, but it's an interesting nonetheless coming from this brand. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly, right? You can agree with me, disagree with me. You can be right in the middle. You could say whatever you like about the brand. You can recommend me some. I'm always open to that. You can go check out my channel. You just do the search bar, you put Robes 08 and you put the House of Oud and you'll see what I've reviewed. You'll see what I've tested on my channel, and then you can start recommending me stuff if you'd like to see certain things from certain brands. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose the scent of Oud, release wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.